Hi, this is the first of a few videos we've put together to try to explain how to use this kit effectively. So this first video, I just want to talk about the kit in general and what we're trying to achieve by using it. But before I start, I'd just like to say thank you so much for taking the time to work with your child or children with maths at home. It is so important to develop a really strong link between school and home and making sure that we're all singing off the same song sheet when it comes to strategies and mathematical thinking. So thank you so much. Well, this kit here, I've called it the Maths Kit relating to two-digit numbers. And so basically what we're trying to achieve by working with this kit is for the children to develop really strong number sense. So the way numbers are structured and organised up to 100 without individual counting. Each activity is based around three really strong concepts, and that is that they use the concrete materials first. Then they try to progress to visualizing themselves, so imagining themselves in their head using the concrete materials, and then that leads them to working in the abstract, which is basically means working from number sentences and all that. So they've got those sort of mental pictures to work with when they're trying to solve problems in the abstract. So I think it's really important that we work with the concrete materials, and then you work partially with the concrete material to start to get that visualization happening and get them to check just to show that they've that their visualization was correct, and that sort of reinforces it. And then eventually they can visualize without using that concrete reinforcement, and then that really strongly links them into the abstract. Now that probably sounds a little bit technical, but basically I'll show you with each different activity what that might look like. So again, thank you so much for taking the time to work with your child on maths.